As the energy demands of households continue to rise, homeowners in Houston are increasingly looking for ways to save on energy costs while enhancing the comfort and value of their homes. One of the most effective solutions to consider is installing energy-efficient windows and doors. These upgrades provide a multitude of benefits that go beyond just energy savings, improving the overall quality of life within the home. Let's explore the top reasons why installing energy-efficient windows and doors in Houston is a smart choice for homeowners. Lower energy bills. Houston's hot, humid summers and mild winters put a heavy strain on air conditioning systems and heating units. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed to provide better insulation, keeping the indoor temperature stable. They minimize the loss of heated or cooled air, reducing the need for constant use of HVAC systems. As a result, homeowners can expect significant reductions in their monthly energy bills. Over time, the savings can add up, making the initial investment in energy-efficient windows and doors highly worthwhile. Improved comfort. The Houston climate can often feel oppressive due to high humidity and fluctuating temperatures. Energy-efficient windows and doors help maintain a consistent temperature throughout the home, preventing hot spots in rooms and reducing drafts. By keeping the home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, these upgrades improve the overall comfort of your living space. The added insulation ensures that rooms stay at a comfortable temperature year-round, no matter the weather outside. Enhanced durability and protection. Energy-efficient windows and doors are typically made with advanced materials that not only insulate better but also offer improved durability. In a city like Houston, where extreme weather conditions, such as hurricanes and intense storms, are common, these windows and doors are designed to withstand high winds and other harsh elements. Many energy-efficient options come with impact-resistant glass, providing added protection for your home. This increased durability helps prevent damage to your home during severe weather, saving you the cost of repairs in the long run. Reduced environmental impact. Installing energy-efficient windows and doors is an eco-friendly choice that can contribute to reducing your carbon footprint. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you are decreasing the overall demand for electricity, which in turn lowers the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. In a large city like Houston, where energy consumption is high, making your home more energy efficient helps contribute to a cleaner environment. It's a step towards sustainability that benefits both you and future generations. Increased home value. Homebuyers today are becoming more and more conscious of energy efficiency. Homes with energy-efficient windows and doors are often viewed as more valuable due to the long-term savings they provide. If you're thinking of selling your home in the future, installing these upgrades can make your property more appealing to potential buyers. Not only will they appreciate the energy savings, but the aesthetic value of high-quality windows and doors can enhance the overall curb appeal of your home. Noise reduction. Houston is a bustling city with a fair amount of traffic and neighborhood activity. Noise from the outside can disrupt the peace and tranquility of your home. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed with multiple panes of glass and specialized coatings that help reduce noise transmission. Whether you live near a busy street, an airport, or a construction site, these windows and doors can make a significant difference in maintaining a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Tax incentives and rebates. Homeowners who invest in energy-efficient upgrades, such as windows and doors, may be eligible for tax incentives, rebates, or other financial incentives. These programs, often offered by local utilities or the federal government, can help offset the cost of the installation. Taking advantage of these offers can make upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors more affordable, providing additional financial benefits on top of the long-term energy savings. Conclusion. For homeowners in Houston, installing energy-efficient windows and doors offers numerous advantages. From lowering energy bills and improving comfort to increasing your home's value and reducing your environmental impact, these upgrades are a smart investment. With Houston's climate and weather challenges, energy-efficient windows and doors provide both practical benefits and long-term rewards. Whether you're looking to save on energy costs, enhance your home's durability, or create a more comfortable living environment, energy-efficient windows and doors are the way to go.